Welcome to Bell Buckle, historic town that is home to the rccola and MoonPie Festival. Good day, everybody, and welcome. It is a hot, scorching day here in Bedford County, Bell Buckle, Tennessee, and I'm here for the rccola and MoonPie Festival. Gonna walk around, take a look at some vendors, food trucks, parade, and just see what all they got. I've never been here, so we'll see. I know Bell Buckle, it's a very small town, so hey, cheers. Let's go drink an RC Cola and eat a moon pie. Here we go. The old wagon here, Bell Buckle, established 1852. Got the flags on it, getting ready for 4th of July, which is just a couple of weeks. This is the middle of June. Now that takes some work right there. Now that is cool.
They done emailed me like 15 times. I talked to her. She's very anxious for me to sign up. Sure. Very nice. Y'all have a good day. Good, how are you?
Some cacti. Some cutting boards.
You don't know how to balance. One in the front, one in the back, one on each hip.
Some Star Wars. The old sewing machine.
Oh my God, look at that. I like the plane.
They're fine. Sorry, I have a tag.
The Bell Buckle Fire Department on hand. I don't know what that is, if that's a private home, bed and breakfast, or what.
probably put a lot more in the
Hey, here's some classic cars.
Aren't they cute? Wow. I bet their names are Stella and Boomer. What do you think?
Gonna fall in behind the parade.
So you was in the parade at Belleville's. I'll wait right here for you.
So they got a little train museum here in Bell Buckle as well. We're gonna go in, take a look at. So this is the Tennessee Valley Model Railroads Club putting this on. There's a lot of older model trains. Spoke with the owner. He said these is from the 1920s and 30s.
Yeah.
There's one set up in a modern day city. There goes the train. Boom, got them top and bottom both.
TCS wow, LEDs in it.
That dude's a long one.
Well, that's kind of the reason why I wanted to out here. It's just been so long.
They're changing the tracks.
There you go. All right. Thank you. Long board, though.
So the background, the bottom is Nashville skyline and the top is a bell buckle. See the back tower, red building there, Union Station.
The back tower took me pretty much most of the afternoon to draw. On that, me and one other guy did the backdrop back there. The other guy is really handy with the saw, and he made that out of just slats of wood. And then I took it home and I decorated it.
Okay.
I call this town.
Like I said, the top's bell buckle, bottom is the skyline of Nashville. It's a Tennessee Titans train moving through Union Station.
Oh, really?
Now playing Star Wars. Somebody set up an old drive-in theater.
Was it something stupid?
And this is Fable Farm and Rescue. Come in and pet some little goats. Got a pig there. Wouldn't that be the lifestyle? That would be awesome to live that lifestyle. Eagle Carver.
This got to where I can't remember stuff. Me.
Got G Dub's Brew Company. They serve coffee, lattes. Anybody ever seen a bologna sandwich food truck?
Good, too.
Full of bologna. See what they got here. Got some mac and cheese. There's your bologna.
Most of them are gone now. I've run that in reverse.
Got some tops.
I'll grow out of
Different woodworks here.
It's been good. That's been good.
Little bitty birdhouses.
Handed like the rest of it.
Snowman ain't melted yet out here in the heat. Oh, look at the basset hound. Look at the little basset hound. I won't pet the dog. I won't pet that doggy. And pet that doggy. I won't pet that doggy. The official event t-shirt sold here. 20 bucks.
All the rides, that's about.
Another one, rccola MoonPie Festival.
The only ones that are
There's your tie-dye shirt.
if you want to look at them.
RC and MoonPie Festival. So this is the store that has the bakery, that has the Elvis desserts in it. We're gonna go in and take a look at. There's chocolate covered bacon. There's a peanut butter hound dog. GI Blues banana bread. Blue Hawaii cupcake. And a jailhouse rock brownie.
She does. But yes.
Elvis cheesecake. And it's a southern thing. It absolutely is. There's your moon pie wheel. Mrs. Bell Buckle. This is downtown Bell Buckle. That's the main street right there. Goes through.
And if he's not, if he is, then we just drive.
That is Elvis that you're hearing, or an impersonator. They do have a Elvis impersonator show here.
I'm gonna roll over you. I'm a steamer, baby. I'm gonna roll over you. I'm gonna inject your soul with sweet rock and roll and shoot you full of rhythm and blues.
Five, 6, 7, 8. Peanut butter banana moon pie. Get in here, guys. Get in here. Oh my.
So that's the new flavor they're unveiling. Peanut butter and banana moon pie.
Everybody clap. Alrighty, we're getting ready here. And what a more fitting way to eat a peanut butter and banana moon pie than after having two Elvises entertain you. One Elvis filming out there. Oh yeah. All right, Dennis, you can come on up. We need our RC up here too now.
So I guess they was kind of throwing hints out all day with all the Elvis stuff. Nobody caught on to it.
With sweet southern style, open the gate for
Peanut butter banana moon pie. Everybody clap. Guys, this is a well-guarded moon pie. Bell, buckle, speed up. Come on, bell, buckle. Woo!
Viva Las Vegas with a
Viva Del Buckle, yeah.
band that's crashing. Almost home.
You're wondering where it was at. It's on top.
Viva Las Vegas turning day.
Oh, man.
Time turning night.
All right, we gotta move back and let them get it up here.
Never be the same again.
Not to be concerned. If it turns into a s'more, we're gonna party. We're gonna eat this thing no matter what, okay?
This is the peanut butter and banana moon pie that they slice up and give to you. You get an actually pretty big piece. Just got done eating a piece of the peanut butter banana moon pie. And I am about burnt to a crisp. Think I've sweated everything out. So I'm gonna end this dude. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Do all those free things. Don't cost you anything to subscribe, share, or comment. Hit that big thumbs up and comment whether it be good or bad. No matter to me. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. rccola Moon Pie Festival here in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Until next time, I'll see you real soon. Thank you and good night.